Hello everyone. It is my honor to present in Nexus Symposium. My name is Dr. Ghulam Mushtaba, serving as Assistant Professor at Regis University, Denver, Colorado, USA. Today I'm excited to explore transformative potential of artificial intelligence in addressing some of the most important environmental challenges we face in Sindh. I will discuss how AI can not only aid in solving these critical issues, but also bolster our communities and enhance the natural environment of Sindh. Sindh facing with the profound environmental challenges that threaten its ecological balance and the well-being of its residents. One of the most pressing issues is the region's susceptibility to extreme weather conditions, manifesting in a devastating floods and a prolonged droughts. For instance, in 2022, catastrophic flooding ravaged entire communities, destroying homes uh, and crops, leaving a trail of destruction in its path. Agriculture is the backbone of Sindh, in particular to vulnerable to these climate extremes. Farming in Sindh is very sensitive to insects and rainfalls. When there is not enough rain, crops dry and fail. When it rains too much, fields get flooded, and this causes similar problems. Moreover, urbanization of Sindh cities is the unfolding at a high peak space, often without proper planning. This disorganized development makes environmental problems worse. It leads to more pollution, poor waste management, which puts extra pressure on areas' resources and harm the quality of life. Water scarcity is another serious challenge. Many areas in Sindh struggle to get enough clean drinking water, which is critical for health and farming. These problems are significant, but artificial intelligence or AI can provide new tools and solutions to help reduce these environmental challenges. Here we will discuss about the role of AI sustainability. Sustainability isn't just about saving trees or reducing waste. It's about finding smart ways to make life better for everyone while protecting nature. So here, like, what will is the AI sustainability? Think AI is a smart helper that analyze large amount of data to make decisions that help the environment. It supports sustainable practices in the three main ways. One of them is predictive analytics. AI uses data to predict important environmental events like rainfall, patterns, or crop failures. By organizing these trends, we can prepare better for challenges and improve the farming results. Second is optimization. AI increases efficiency by managing resources like water and electricity. It ensures these resources are used efficiently, which reduce waste and lower carbon emissions. Third is automation. AI can control machines and systems by itself, reducing the need of a human help. For example, it adjusts irrigation system automatically based on the soil moisture level, giving crops the right amount of water. And these technologies can be used in a different ways. One is a smart farming, which where we can use AI technology. This system can monitor the environment, water crops at the right time, saving water and increasing yield. These improvements help important resources and support the sustainable future. Let's look the powerful life real world example, which is flood forecasting using AI developed by the Google. Google partnered with the governments in places like India and Bangladesh. They use satellite data and machine learning to predict floods. So I will play this video and we will discuss later.
Each year, floods claim thousands of lives, disrupt millions, and cause significant financial damage worldwide. Google Research has developed AI-based flood forecasting models that can generate accurate river flooding forecasts up to 7 days in advance on a global scale, even in areas where data is scarce. This use of AI technology marks a significant advancement in predicting flood events globally. The hydrologic model is trained on publicly available geophysical and meteorological data, such as soil attributes, precipitation data from satellites, weather forecasts, and stream flow gauge measurements. The model uses two long short-term memory networks, LSTM for short, a machine learning architecture that uses time series inputs to generate predictions. The hindcast LSTM runs over a year in the past, analyzing input data up to the issue time of a forecast, and hands off the current state to a forecast LSTM. The forecast LSTM analyzes data from a weather forecast over the next 7 days and predicts stream flow. The model is trained on global data, allowing it to learn general hydrologic behaviors and generate highly accurate AI-based forecasts, even in river basins that lack streamflow gauges. As shown in our Nature publication in March 2024, our AI model has higher precision than the current benchmark when predicting extreme events, enabling the generation of early warnings, which will help save lives and improve resilience worldwide. Google is committed to continuing to advance science and AI solutions for the climate crisis with our global partners. For more information,
Now, just imagine if we had a similar solutions in Sindh before 2022 floods. Many lives could have been protected. People can get alerts on their phones before floods happen, which further save lives and the property. This shows how AI can directly help communities prepare and respond. Similarly, AI can be used for other challenges which Sindh is facing, like fighting air pollution, biodiversity monitoring, and the sustainable agriculture. Here we will explore how AI can further transform Sindh as a region which known for rich agriculture, but also facing the environmental challenges. We can use the satellite image analysis to analyze different type of data to predict natural disaster. AI can change how we manage a disaster by analyzing satellite images to assess the risk of droughts or floods. We have access a lot of data, including weather reports, satellite images, and soil quality information. We need effective analysis of this data. AI can quickly process this information and get timely advice. For example, if it can tell farmers that the best time to plant or help government agency to prepare the floods. We can also use AI for environmental monitoring by keeping our environment healthy, which is essential. AI can monitor air and water quality. It can detect pollution before it becomes the bigger problem, which we well known in Lahore. This helps protect public health, encourage sustainable practices, and benefit everyone. We can use the AI for the smart farming, which we discussed previously. Like I will now just picture farmers in Sindh using advanced technology to guide them every day. AI can provide real-time advice on when to plant, water, or harvest crop. This practice farming can increase crops yield, allow for better use of water while being kind to the environment. Also imagine a drone flying over Sindh's field like a Mirpur Khas Dadu, taking detailed pictures. With AI, it can analyze these images to find areas affected by droughts or pests. This method is faster and more cost-effective than the traditional monitoring and help farmers to act quickly and accurately. Finally, AI can help cities by constantly checking air quality, alerting officials about pollution increase. This can lead to healthier living conditions for everyone. By using AI effectively, we can improve agriculture while protecting our environment for future generations. Here we will discuss why AI need driven solutions. There is already some of the initiative made by the Pakistan government. One of them is Uran Pakistan, which is important national initiative aimed at transforming the economy of our country. The plan focus on using local solutions so we don't have to rely only on outside help. AI is a part of this plan, providing a way to innovate and make progress. Working together, local universities, startups, and governments can drive this change. For example, training programs in data science can prepare for our youth for jobs in this field. We can also benefit from investing in a local AI startup that focuses on important areas like clean water access and sustainable farming. AI is already making differences in Pakistan and around the world. It helps predict floods using advanced satellite data. For example, in Punjab, new technology is giving wheat farmers specific advice to increase their crops and make farming more efficient. In conclusion, I want to highlight an important point. AI is not just for big cities or large companies. It can also thrive in villages or farms and small towns. To make the most of this potential, we need to raise awareness, support education, encourage collaboration. I hope today's discussion has shown you the positive changes that AI can bring to communities of all sizes. You can contact me via my email or social media networks. Thank you so much.